Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another Taste Test Tuesday here at BigJon TV. Getting in the Halloween spirit this week.
I know what to say. We have 3 cereals in the Halloween flavor.
3 Halloween
Halloween flavor?
Halloween inspired. I was looking for the word inspired. I have actually never had, I don't think, any of these cereals. I don't remember eating any of these. Saw them at, I think, Walmart. So we had to buy them, right?
No.
Have you tried either of these? Any of these? Nope, probably not.
I probably tried this one and that one.
You think?
Yeah, last year.
Oh, but
I think we had it last year.
Did we?
Yeah.
What if I said I've never had it, but we ate it last year on camera? Wouldn't that be weird of me?
We didn't eat it on camera.
No, not on camera?
No.
Oh, okay, well.
I don't think we had a YouTube channel then.
Oh, okay. So here we are, guys. These are General Mills brand Frankenberries, Blueberries, and Count Chocula. Total classics. I remember the name. Like I said, I've never had them, but I've always heard of them. I've always seen them. So this time I was like, you know what? We need to do those this time.
And I said off camera, I'm gonna try all of them at once.
All of them at once?
Yep.
What?
Yo.
That's craziness. Okay, so we've got artificial strawberry flavored frosted cereal with monster marshmallows. We've got,
I punched the box.
hold on, artificial berry flavored frosted cereal with monster marshmallows. Ooh, that's a cool color.
It's probably gonna be this color.
And we've got chocolatey cereal with monster marshmallows.
Of course.
You were supposed to say monster marshmallows when I pointed at you like that.
No, I should go on like this.
Oh, because it's a monster?
Yes.
Alright, so pretty straightforward cereals. So where can I put those and still be able to keep them in the shot and not be in my way? Okay, so then, hold on, no, we're not doing that yet. No, oh, no. Because here's why. We have to try them solo first. I get what you're trying to do, and I'm okay with it, after we try them with how they taste on their own first. Okay? Ow. Alright. You want?
Man.
Have you eaten any of them yet? I'm gonna eat these ones dry.
I'm gonna eat these ones.
The strawberry ones the berry ones remind me of Captain Crunch. Captain Crunch berries. Right? So do the blueberries. So the Frankenberries and the blueberries taste like Captain Crunch berries. And did you really just eat all the marshmallows out of that?
Maybe.
That's the worst kind of person. Oh man.
I'm a thief.
Okay. That's good and chocolatey. I like that. Okay, we're stopping for now. You need to chill. You're taking things too far. Stop, okay? Ready, set, and. Okay, so that one's milked up. Milked up. And the chocolate cereal minus the marshmallows.
It's all gone.
They've disappeared. Alright, Jam, there's your spoon, son. And let's dig in.
That wasn't mixed up.
No.
Daddy.
Did you find a marshmallow? Those are good. They're not horribly sweet, like I've had sweeter cereal. They're good. I like the fruitiness in there. Tastes just like Captain Crunch berries to me. Filled that one a little bit too full.
Oh yeah. That's true. I remember the taste of the marshmallows. No.
You remember the taste of the marshmallows? Yeah. Oh, yeah. Maybe we did. I don't even remember them. Maybe we bought them and didn't film them. Maybe it was before BigJon TV even existed. Alright, let's get the chocolate ones. Look, I found a marshmallow.
I found a lot more marshmallows than you.
It's just like any standard chocolatey cereal. It's not, with the milk, it's not horribly chocolatey. It gets kind of washed out a bit. I think they're fun. The kids will love them. It's definitely seasonal. It's definitely fun for Halloween. Like, are they the best cereal in the world? No, they're just straightforward.
And if those are still closed, Domino's.
Yep, Domino's. I'll tip them all over. So, there you go. I've seen them at Target. I've seen them at Walmart. I've seen them at regular grocery stores. We've got Frankenberry, Count Chocolate, Blueberry. Jamie, what do you think? What's your favorite?
Probably all. But I actually haven't tried one more.
Oh, you haven't tried that one yet?
No. It's not. It's not.
I like the fruity ones better. So while he's chomping down and trying to make up his mind, make sure you hit that like button if you haven't already and subscribe. And if you dig our video, share them with your friends. Jamie, what say you? What's your favorite flavor?
Love it.
I know, but which one? If you had to buy only one, Blueberry,
Love it.
Count Chocula, or Frankenberry?
Love it.
All right, there you go. Buy them all. Jamie says. Thanks, guys. Catch you next one. See you.
Bye. I'm gonna keep on eating.